Hello everyone, welcome to Single Subject Design class. We are going to learn today how to make a line graph using Microsoft Excel. The major parts of this graph that I need you to pay attention to are the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, the condition change line, and data points. By the end of this session, you are going to create a line graph, take a screenshot of it, and insert it into Microsoft Word. Why do we need to use graphs? Graphs help people make sense of quantitative information. They are the major device with which they applied behavior analysts organize, interpret, and communicate the results of their work. Graphs can be effective sources of feedback to people, and there are different types of graphs used in applied behavioral analysis, such as line graphs, bar graphs, cumulative records, and scatter plots graphs. This is your assignment that you need to go over, and I'm going now to help you by creating Excel sheet. So let's start by opening Microsoft Access. First, after putting all the numbers in the Excel sheet in a table, you highlight them, you highlight the table, and then you go to Insert, Chart, and you choose Line, Marked Line, and then you make it bigger. As you can see, the graph is small, so you click on you try to pull it from the side. It's good to have it 7 by 4 or close to that size would be good. Now, you want to get rid of the legends, you don't need them. You want to get rid of the lines, you don't need them. And you want to make this graph a little bit smaller from the inside so you can label the x-axis and y-axis. You go now then to chart layout, axis titles, horizontal, title below axis, and you write meals. Then you do the same here and you choose vertical and vertical title, and you want maybe to do a different way, rotated title I recommend, and you can write frequency bytes per 5-minute meal. And then you can also play with the font, change it to 12 and choose times, New Roman, and they do the same to meals. Now you want to look at the data points. You want to change them to circles, and you double click on them. You go to marker style, circle. You want to fill it with black, and you want also the lines attached to those circles to be black. So you go here to line, and that's what you have now. You do the same here, and you choose black, marker style, you go to circle, and then marker fill would be also black, and there you go. So here the line didn't go through, so we go back to line and make sure that we choose black. Now you're ready to insert the condition line. You go to Insert, Shape, and you choose the line. And you drag it here to your table, to your graph, and you try to pull it, and you want it in the middle. Okay? And you wanted to change it to black as well. Now what you need to do is you want to label the graph by highlighting the table here, going to insert and text box. You want to write here baseline, and here you want to do the same here, insert and you go to text box and you write intervention tokens. You want to keep them at the same level, so you move it a little bit. And you also wanted to keep it clean, so what you do, you double click on it and you do right click, format shape, and you get rid of the lines around it, no line. Okay, and then do the same here please, and you go to double click and then right click to format shape and no line. Okay, now you want also no borders lines around the graph, so you double click on it and again, so you can get this no line, and then okay. Now you want to copy and paste your graph by, if you're using Mac, you go to use Shift, Command and 4, and then you highlight where you want to take a picture, snapshot of it. It will save directly into your desktop. You drag it, you copy it into Microsoft Word. Then this is what I want you to do. I want you to make sure that you go back to the PowerPoint I've attached and posted on your Blackboard and you look at the criteria. Please make sure you don't miss any point, and please let me know if you have any question. Good luck!